Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BeamLabs Engineering Private Limited. BeamLab is an Autodesk authorized training partner. I am Kevin Shivu, working as technical engineer at BeamLabs. Today, we are discussing about the topic AutoCAD dimensions. We all know there are different types of dimension types are available in AutoCAD. We can select dimension from Home tab. In annotation panel, we can see a dimension option. By selecting this, we can see different types of dimension that are available in AutoCAD. First one linear, then aligned, then angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinates, and jog dimensions. We can also access dimension option from menu bar here, a dimension. In this, we can select different types of dimension. At first, we are discussing about linear dimension. As the name indicates, it is used to measure the linear distance between 2 points. First, I am selecting an initial point, then I am selecting a end point. From here, we can easily measure the linear distance between these 2 points. Next, we have option called align dimension. This is commonly used when we have to measure inclined dimension between 2 points. Here, I am selecting first point and selecting the second point. We are getting an inclined distance between these 2 points. Okay, next we have angular dimension. It is used to measure angular distance between 2 points. First, I am selecting this line. Next, I am selecting this. Yeah, we will getting the angular distance between these two line segments. Next, we have option called arc length. By selecting arc length and selecting a arc, it will simply give the length of the arc. Okay. Next, we have option called radius. It will give the radius of the circle or arc. I'm selecting this circle, it gives the radius. Next, we have diameter. It will give the diameter of a circle or arc. I'm selecting this circle and getting the diameter. Okay, next type of dimension is ordinate. Ordinate will simply give the ordinate of a particular point. I am selecting the ordinate here. Remember, as we move up or down, it will give the x ordinate from the origin, and when we move left or right, it will give y ordinate from the origin. Next, we have option called jog dimension. This is commonly used when there is less space available for a dimension to be placed. Example, I am selecting this circle and I am specifying a point outside this figure. Now we can see a line that connecting the circle and my point. We can place it outside the figure or anywhere we want. Other than this whole dimension, we have another two types of dimension. In annotate tag dimension panel, we can see two more dimension type, quick dimension and continue dimension. First option is quick dimension. As the name indicates, it will give quick dimension between selected object. Example, I am selecting this line and this one, this one, and this, and press enter. Now we can place the dimension. See, it will give quick dimension between this selected object. Next, we have option called continue dimension. For that, I am selecting linear dimension and measuring distance between these 2 points. Then I am selecting continue dimension. In this, we can see it will measure the distance from previously measured points. We are getting the distance between previously measured point and selected point. Mainly, these all are the dimensions that we are using in AutoCAD. That's all for this section. Thank you.